everyone, welcome to another video of my cooking channel. In this video we are going to be making slow cooker hobo casserole. What we will need is 2.5 cups of elbow noodles, 8 tablespoons of cornstarch or half a cup of sour cream, 2.5 cups of shredded cheese, 1 pound of meat of your choice, 1 can of cream of mushroom soup, and then 2 cans of chicken broth or beef broth, and some potatoes. The first step that we need to do is that we need to brown the meat in a pot on medium heat until all of the meat is completely brown and there is no pink showing. And then we will need a meat chopper to chop up the meat to turn it into the hamburger form. And with the potatoes, we will need 2 cups of diced potatoes. And I recommend cutting it in half like this. And take one of the halves and cutting it this. And then repeat that until you have 2 cups of diced potatoes. Once the potatoes are diced, it should look something like this. You should have about 2 cups of diced potatoes. Once the meat is brown, it should look something like this. And then we are going to drain the excess grease from the meat. Alright, and after the grease is drained from the meat, we are going to spread it inside of the slow cooker with cooking spray. And try to get it as good as you can get it. There. And then we are going to add the meat. And then we need to add the can of cream of mushroom soup. Then we need to add the 2 cups of diced potatoes. And then we are also going to add a little bit of pepper to taste. Then we are going to mix that. Once that is all mixed together, it should look something like this. And then we are going to cook it on high heat for about 3 hours. And after about 3 hours, it should look something similar to that. And then we need to add the chicken or beef broth. And the uncooked noodles. And then we need to cover that, and then here first just spread out a little bit. There. And then we're going to cover that and then cook it for an additional 30 minutes. And after it has been here for about 30 more minutes, we are going to add 2 cups of the shredded cheese. And there should be about a half a cup of the shredded cheese left. Then we're going to add a half a cup of sour cream or 8 tablespoons of cornstarch. 7, 8. Then we're going to mix that. And it should look something like this. After that's another mix together. Then we're going to cover it and then cook it for about another 20 minutes. After that 20 minutes, we are going to add the remaining half a cup of shredded cheese by sprinkling it over like this. And try to get it as even as possible and spread it out as evenly as we can. Alright, and this is what it looks like when it's done, and then we are going to serve it when it's warm. Hi everyone, and welcome to another video of my cooking channel, and in this video... Hi everyone, and welcome to another video of my cooking channel, and in this video we are going to be making slow cooked... I missed. Hi everyone, and welcome to another video of my cooking channel. In this video, we're once you have about 2 cups of diced potatoes, it should look something like this.